Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, success is always out of reach? That was me, stuck, frustrated, ready to give up. But in just 2 weeks, I completely turned failure into success. This isn't magic. It's a step-by-step process that changed everything. And today, I'm sharing exactly how I did it so you can too. Step 1. Shift your mindset instantly. Failure isn't the end, it's a lesson. Most people let emotions block them from learning. But I didn't. I wrote down 3 questions. What went wrong? What can I learn? How can I improve? Answering them changed everything. My failure wasn't a dead end, it was a stepping stone. Step 2. Get crystal clear on your goal. Vague goals bring big results. I stopped saying, I want to succeed, and started saying, I will achieve specific goal in 2 weeks. I wrote it down, visualized it morning and night, and my brain started filtering out distractions, focusing only on what mattered. Step 3. Take radical action. Most people overthink and underact. Not me. I asked, what's one action I can take today to move forward? Then I did it, no hesitation, no excuses. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. Small wins fueled my motivation, pushing me further. Step 4. Rewire your subconscious for success. Your mind is like a computer. Old, negative programs bring the same failing results. So I reprogrammed mine. Every morning, I looked in the mirror and spoke affirmations. I am successful. I am capable. I create opportunities. I visualize my success with emotion. This wasn't just positive thinking. It was rewiring my brain to believe before it happened. Step 5. Remove distractions and negative influences. For 2 weeks, I eliminated distractions. No mindless scrolling. No negative people. No doubters. Instead, I surrounded myself with inspiration books, podcasts, and people who uplifted me. The more I controlled my environment, the faster my results changed. Step 6. Stay relentless no matter what. Challenges didn't magically disappear. Obstacles came. Doubts whispered. But I made a commitment. Nitrogen monoxide quitting. Every setback was feedback, not failure. I adjusted, improved, and kept going. Most people quit too soon. I didn't. That's why I won. Step 7. Celebrate small wins and keep going. Every small win, I celebrated. Success is built on momentum. Recognizing progress fuels more progress. I kept my energy high, my focus sharp, and my belief uncheckable. By the end of 2 weeks, everything changed. My failure, my biggest breakthrough, my struggle, my greatest lesson, my doubt, unstoppable confidence. And here's the best part, if I did it, you can too. Success isn't luck, it's mindset, action, and persistence. No matter where you are, you can turn failure into success. Are you ready to take the first step? Let me know in the comments, what failure are you ready to turn into success? Let's do this together.